What up, good peoples? What's happening, man? It's your boy, baby. You know I'm back with this money-making video, man. Y'all know how we do. You know when you see a video from your boy, we talking about making this bread. Anyway, seeing people tripping on Ampleforth just like they ain't learned from the first time, man. Like, oh, Ampleforth, is it going to zero? Is it dead? Blah, blah, blah. We're going to get to that in a minute. But let's see what else we can make some money on, man. Let's go. Let's go to the monster. Let's go to T2X. Man, let me tell you something. Now, by the time you see this, the market is going to be closed. Well, lobby. But anyway, man, look. Okay, I got two stakes to end. Today is the day 25. Look, I got two stakes to end on the 25th. Now, I staked these, 5 days ago and 3 days ago. I'm going to get 8.99, 10,000 Tron when I unstake this. Not to mention the 38,000 Tron right now. Bruh. I don't know. This ain't no, man, look here. I know we got our, 1% of days and stuff like that. Boy, this here is, I don't even think people understand. We in profit so much, people don't even know how much we in. It reminds me of Hex. You know when that Hex price was going up so much, you didn't even know what X you were. You didn't know how much you done made. You're just making it. You're just making so much of it. We getting paid in TRX dividends, guys, and T2X that you just, oh man, I don't know what to tell you. And like I say, man, you gotta support the platform. This is a good day to go. Right now, it's 400. Let me show you something. How to do this thing, man. Go to auction, right? And this will tell you what you're looking for, right? See, right now it's on the 400,000. But like I said, by the time you see this, I don't know what it'll be at. Probably about, it may hit a million. I hope not, because see, this is what you get, right? This is the number right here. What you want to do is go in on the light day. Everybody like those $4 million, $3 million days, but you get less of the pot. You want to be a big dog when the pot's small. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of counterproductive of what people like. People love big numbers. They just do. But in this case, the smaller the number, the bigger dog you can be in that pot. Get that 95%. You know what I'm saying? So where you get more of the T2X token. You see? So if I go in with 1,000, I'm gonna get 11,000 tokens. You see? Well, if it's 1-to-1, like let me see, go back here. If I would have went in on one D day, the 1-to-1 day, I'm a 1-to-1, I would have got 1,000. You put 1,000 Tron in, you get 1,000 tokens. Yeah, but there's 2 million in the pot. Now that don't matter. You want to get more tokens to get more of the pot. See, this is a great day. It may end up being 5 or 6, but that's still good. So I'm finna go and get up in here now. See, you gotta support the platform too, man. If you like this, you gotta support. No matter how much you making, always put back on the platform. That's what I do, man. So I'm going to put 5,000 TRX up in here. Support the platform. Come on, T2X people. We gotta put Tron back on the platform for it to last now. For it to survive. It don't survive unless you feed it. You know what I'm saying? We all feed it, we all eat. But anyway, so I'm gonna get on up out of here, man. Y'all know about that T2X, man. The link is in the description. Get you some Tron. Get on up in here. So we talking about make this Tron, baby. What else we got going on? Pamp. You see, man. Let me see. I think Pamp pumping today. Let me see. I did it at 150. It's at 179. You know what I'm saying? Man, come on, bro. Come on. I don't even. Let me see. Let me refresh this. See what old Pamp up to. See what old Pamp doing. Y'all scared of that Pamp, boy. 193. Pamp booming on y'all, man. What did you talking bad? What is you doing, man? Oh, let me see how much my Pamp worth, man. See how much my Pamp worth. This ain't even what I got over here. This is where my money at right here. This is my liquidity staking right here. This is where the money at. I just got to look on the side. You know what I'm saying? Then I go to trade. We'll get to that in a minute. Come on, man. Where my Pamp at? It ain't showing my Pamp. I ain't got time for all that, man. Come on now. Oh, there it is. See it. About one ETH worth. Next up, X2T on a monster run, an all-time high. Man, y'all know we talking about this back here. We was on X2T. Come on, man. How long we been talking about Hex? We was actually talking about it back here. Y'all remember them days, X2T back here with the Hex 3D and the other Hex 3T, whatever it was, all that back here. It pumped, and it went down, went through all this, then it pumped again, and was going down, and back to an all-time high. I always look at it on a 100 million thing, because I got 100 million. So if you just look at the total, let me show you something. Taking this thing so long, man. Come on here. There we go. Come on. See, look. What I got some on Power Bank. I got some right here. Even this right here. How much you think this worth? Now we talking about Hex 2T. Let me show you how much this worth. That's 7.5 ETH right there, man. Just right now. So on 100 million, look at it. One more. 20 ETH. 100 million is worth 20 Ethereum, guys. We was getting this for 1 Ethereum. I remember when Trayvon made a video, he didn't like it because he said, oh, you get 2 minutes, something wrong with it. You get like 200 million for 1 ETH. Bruh. Money calling. Hold on. But boy, you cannot deny that X2T. You feel me? Hey man, this just the beginning. It ain't even came out yet. You know, they rebranding to Axion. So when they hit Axion, they unlaunched the platform. Hey man, don't tell them what. I don't know. Do what you want to do, man. I don't know, man. I'm just over doing my thing. Still on block clout. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to tell you, man. Still stacking up that block clout. The thing hitting up that 76,000. You know, hey man. So I mean, you know, what you want me to tell you, man? Swap stake, man. If you ain't in swap stake, I don't know what you're doing, player. What you doing? I got 3,000 swap staking over here. I done earned 84 in dividend. Well, I've been withdrawing, so that's just the recent dividend. So I think I'm gonna stake some more. I got almost 10,000 more in my wallet. Hey man, I told you I bring my sledgehammer to work, man. Huh? I don't know what you doing, but I brings the sledgehammer. So I'm gonna stake that. That'll give me 12,000 staked on the platform. Man, man, I don't know. Y'all don't like that dividend life, man. I don't know what y'all like, man. I don't know what y'all be doing, man. The dividend life, baby, that's what's happening. You know what I'm talking about? Let's see what this CNS doing over here. It was peaking up at 1 cent. Now that thing back down to 8 cents. But it's going through $1. Just hold on when it going through $1. But that red candle might be long. I don't know, man. Look at that volume. Look at them sellers. Bro, look at the green and look at the red. The red, there's more sellers than buyers. What I'm trying to tell you, bro. I don't know, hey man. I'm a gang on. Hey man, look here. Let's get to the amp, baby. Amp. Everybody be scared when amp go below $1 or whatever, man. That's when you buy it. It's going back to $1, man. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody got their price point. Some people buy 90. That's a 10 cent raise on each coin. Some people buy 80 cents. That's a 20 cent raise. Some people buy 70 cents. That's a 30 cent raise. So I don't understand what's so hard about it. They showed you last time, bro. I don't understand. So if you're in the Gaza, you ain't even got nothing to worry about. See, them for the people that's worried are the people trying to trade, trying to catch it, trying to manipulate the market, trying to do all this and in and out. Bro, just be in the Gaza, man. If you can't handle it, get in on Giza, man. Trust me, you'll have less headache. You don't even got to worry about the price, worry about none of it. You're going to get your APY. You're going to get your amples. You know what I'm saying? You're going to accrue your amples. You know what I'm saying? You're going to get your reward. You know what I'm saying? Like, what you want? This ain't no pump and dump thing, man. That thing is programmed to do certain things. But with so much money coming into it and all that, is it throws it out of whack a little bit. That thing will jump up to $3. You know what I'm saying? Apple ain't going nowhere till they get ready. You know what I mean? Some people thought it was a scam. Then we see it ain't no scam. It just operating like what it's supposed to do. It's fine. You know, I know everybody fall in love with the rebates. I love rebates too. But sometimes if it's below $1, it ain't gonna get no rebates. You just gotta buy you get a built-in reward by right now. You just gotta buy more. That's the beauty of the coin. When it get below $1, you gotta buy more. You don't have to, but that's how you get more tokens. So you buy more tokens under $1. Then when it go to $1.30, $1.40, you get more on the rebates. Then it go back down on $1, you buy more. Then when it go back up, you get more on the rebates because you got rebates last time on the way down. Bruh. Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, get you some T2X, get you some PAMP, get you some block, get you some swap, get you some CNN. Well, I don't know about no CNN. But anyway, I'll look back at your boy, man.